Hey y'all, I know, I've been gone for a minute, but that's neither here nor there. See, that's your problem. You're dwelling on the past when I said I was going to be consistent, but now we're being consistent today. So I am actually starting 75 Hard. Monday, August 17th was my day one of 75 Hard, and we are ending October 30th. So you know we're going to be the finest of the fine in our Halloween costume. But anyways, my 75 Hard consists of me lifting weights 5 days a week. And then every day for 7 days, I'm doing a 45-minute cardio. I went on ChatGPT. She went ahead and got my meal plan together for me that I am following. And then my hobby, of course, is going to be me crocheting. And then also I'm going to do some extra Instacart so I can make some extra funds, honey, because I need that money. You hear me? I got some trips coming up and I need that extra money. Okay? So y'all can follow me. Y'all can join me, but I'll see y'all in day 2. Bye.